Hi guys, today, I will show you how to create travel intro like this. Go to Canva, pick videos. Add a rectangle shape and change color to black. Add a heading, change its color to white. Drag to enlarge it. Download it as PNG file. Upload that PNG file to Canva. Now let's pick a video about Japan. This one looks good. Add the uploaded PNG file. Click Edit Photo and remove its background. Now let's animate it to make it move from right to left. Select Steady. Adjust the transparency for a bit. Add a text. Pick the animation you like. I like spread. Let's check how it looks. That's it for today. See you next time.